Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and on this video I'm going to show you how I amp up this Lunar New Year makeup with colour and style. So the first one I'm going to kick off with is the split complementary colour combination of the sea green shiny satin shirt with burgundy, and I'm wearing this with marine navy trousers with French navy and soft white, smooth and shiny trainer shoes. And let's not forget, you can also amp it up with some points of interest like the silver nail polish, the Delft blue silver bracelet with a silver bracelet, royal blue and silver bracelet, and of course the shiny silver necklaces. And don't forget, if you want to add a bit more sparkle when you wear sheen, shimmer or shiny clothes, you can always put on some silver or gold depending on your undertone. And just add some shimmer and glamour to your look. To the centre of your eyelids. Blend it in. And you'll be looking absolutely amazing. How about the soft corduroy continuum? Because I have the soft corduroy on my trousers, soft corduroy on my shirt, and with the oxblood colour, I can wear and the burgundy, I can switch the points of red to this cherry red, or I can pick up the sugar plum or plum pink lipsticks. I have got a very slimming kind of semi-matte soft corduroy t-shirt, and with the shiny silver necklaces, it is just stunning as a highly contrasted look. However, I will say that it is a bit bland with these trousers, so I'm going to amp it up right now. Now I've made it more fun and I've helped to continue the flow of this makeup with an analogous colour combination between the eye makeup and the shirt, which is excellent for summers, and the navy is a great continuum of the eyeliner. Perfect. And I'll show you this look from further away. Or I can make it more classic with the soft or pure white shirt and have it open. And this is the look from further away. And with the short sleeves, it gives a kind of summer holiday vibe. And don't we all miss the summer holidays? And continuing with the classic vibes, I've also added some curvy patterns to add to some party vibes. And with the open shirt, it's like, let's get this party started for Lunar New Year. Continuing with the curved patterns, this time over the top I'm wearing a bomber jacket in navy. Amazing. Another blue on blue look with curved patterns as well. And I'll show you what it looks like with the shirt open. And I'm wearing this with the pure white, the royal blue, and a lighter turquoise blue with a hint of navy in here as well. So it's a beautiful continuum with the eye makeup, and I just think it's absolutely fabulous. And just everything flows. And now I'm toning down the royal blue, the shiny t-shirt, with this slight sheen sea green t-shirt. And now I'm showing you what it looks like unbuttoned. And for the final look, I am doing shiny on shiny, because I have the shiny sea green shirt with the shiny royal blue t-shirt underneath, shiny silver necklace, and I'm wearing the same trousers and shoes I had before. This is a beautiful analogous colour combination, and I'm going to show you what it looks like unbuttoned as well. And this is the unbuttoned look. Another 12. Do you like the sheen? I love the sheen. This is my favourite. This is my favourite satin shirt that I have, actually. I need to collect more of them. Absolutely. So that is the whole video for you guys. I'm going to take this off because I want to finish the video all in blue, because I love the colour blue. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and I will see you again very soon with some more videos. Okay, take care, bye.